Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we are playing in Gravity Simulator, which is a game that deals with gravity. And here is the Earth, and over there is the Moon. Have you ever heard of a Earth, well, of a planet with a moon, with another moon? Well, that's going to be happening today. And we'll do other stuff like maybe add rings to Earth and maybe add another star around the sun. So we're going to start first with the moon, which is over here, which I'll go to add, and then we're going to go to moon. We're going to the moon. Now here is our moon. And our Earth should be right there. Yeah, see, it's right here. And now we're going to try to add two moons onto the moon. So it'll be a moon with two moons. So if I go here to the semi-major axis, you see this line that shows up? This is where the orbit of the moon with the moon will be. So what should we name it? I'm thinking King of Creepers, which is my username and my channel name. So I think I should do that. And we're gonna probably shrink it so we can fit two moons. And I think we should kind of make it, we'll make it like have the angle. And we're gonna kind of change its axis probably like that, I'm guessing. We're gonna go over here, mass type, moon, and we're just gonna spawn in probably a small moon, like Dione, or Rhea, probably Rhea, or Mimas. Probably we'll spawn in Rhea first. So Rhea is pretty big, so you can see it right here. It's around the moon. And this is going to orbit around the moon. And then our next one we're going to add is going to be smaller and a bit farther out. I'm guessing around here we'll have it. And we'll spawn in Mimas, which is smaller. So now we got two moons. The moon, a smaller moon, and even smaller moon. So it's Earth with a moon with two moons. So then after that, I think we're going to add some rings onto Earth. And it's going to look really cool from Earth and the moon. So we're going to go to the Earth. So now we're at the Earth, and I think we put it at the angle of its axis. So I'm gonna do that quick. Looks like we're gonna turn it all the way around. Yep, wait. No, that doesn't look good. Probably like that, I'm guessing. And we're gonna spawn in a ring. And we want quite a bit of particles because we want to look nice and bright. And yep, average distance, good. And we want it probably half of what that shows, this number shows. Because it'll just look really cool. Here, I'll show you. Ready? Spawn in. Now look at that. So here are Earth's rings now. It's brand new rings. And I'm thinking one more thing. We're going to add two more moons to Earth. I think one should be way the heck out here. And one should be pretty close. A smaller moon so it doesn't pull all these rings away. So we're going to do that. So we're going to go to moon again. And we're going to do King of creepers. See, king of creepers. And we are going to expand this. And we're going to make it kind of far so we don't mess anything up. I'm guessing around here. We're going to make it pretty small so we don't disturb the rings of Earth. I'm thinking like Dione. I'm thinking Dione. Dione is a smaller moon, so we'll use that. Spawning in. See, it's small, and it'll probably barely disturb that. And we'll put another one way the heck out here. And I'm thinking like Titan or something. So we're gonna quick do that. Titan. Actually, I think we want it a little bit closer. Probably there. That looks good. So let's spawn King of Creepers number 3 in. So now we got a lot of new stuff, like onto Earth. So first of all, if we look really close to Earth, we got our beautiful rings. And if we go out more, we got King of Creepers 2, which is, I'll show you quick. So here, So here's King of Creepers 2. This is Dione. It's a really tiny moon. So I think this was ideal for a close orbit because it won't pull the rings. And look at that. They're completely flat. That's pretty cool. Next, we have, I'll show you. We'll have, so right after the rings and King of Creepers 2, we have the moon and its system of moons, which I'll show you. So we'll go to the moon, and you see the rings over here, and we have the moon, King of Creepers, the original one, and we also have King of Creepers 1. That's pretty cool. And you can see those rings, and you can sun and stuff. Next one, we got King of Creepers 3, which is the biggest moon of all, which is Titan, which should show like its atmosphere and stuff. Yep. Look at that. And the rings of Earth are way harder to see, you can see. So Titan would be a good area to view those rings. Now, this is what you all have been waiting for. We're gonna see what happens to everything in this miniature system. Oh wait. Sorry. I forgot something. I was gonna add a red dwarf star. Like about 2 or 3 astronomical units. That'll look really cool. So I'm gonna do that quick. And this is going to be need to be really far from Earth, so it doesn't pull on Earth. I'm thinking 10 astronomical units, which is 10 times further than Earth is to the sun. And we're going to go to star. And we're going to use something super tiny like Kepler 62. Kepler 62 is super tiny, so we're going to use that. And it's named King of Creepers 4. I'm really quick making sure I didn't spawn any yellow dwarf. I'm pretty sure I didn't. I can also check like where the habitable zone is. I don't know why it shows us habitable zone off. Yeah, it's pretty small. So I think we're safe from here. So we're gonna turn that off. Now we're gonna go to Earth. We're gonna go to Earth. So, yep, we have everything here. Oh yeah, we got that. And we're ready to go. We're gonna probably go at speed 3. Alright, go. Go. There we go. Oh, see, the moon's orbit is like really changed from like this. They're all pulling together. So this one, so the moon's orbit is pretty wobbly, while the outer moon is perfectly fine. Now we're gonna check on all of them. So I don't want to mess this up. For some reason it glitches when I press like a different speed while it's playing. So I paused it and I'm just gonna play it slower, and we're gonna look at the moon and see its system. Yeah, and well, see, King of Creepers 1 looks like it's very unstable. Like, it probably bulges out. I'll show you. I'm guessing it bulges out because of King of Creepers. Yeah, see, it bulges. Yep. So that bulges, but I'm pretty sure it'll stay safe as long as it continues being like, oh, wait. You see that? Those are ring particles. Oh, no. The rings on Earth didn't work. Well, that's okay. At least we got like all these cool moons. And I'm pretty sure if I look, there should be, yes, a star right there. And I think we're just gonna see when it goes on the opposite side of the sun. I'm pretty sure it'll shine on the other side. Uh-oh. Alright. Alright. I think that's good enough. Now let's look. Do we have 2 sides shining? Yes, we do. That's super cool. Well, that's all I want to do today. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And bye!